So first question is, tell us a bit about yourself before meeting Infinite Wealth. What did your financial future look like?
To be honest, hadn't thought much about the future at all before going to the evening session. But when I started to look at it, the first little bit was, we're in trouble. Like there wasn't a lot of future
It's scary.
immediately visible to us.
Yeah, it's quite scary.
It's not common. So, what changed when you met Tim and the team at Infinite Wealth?
I think we saw a vision, like outside of that immediate, oh crap. There was a vision, and getting there was probably a lot easier.
Yep.
I'd read some books and stuff like that, but it always seemed like too hard, and
You
just
didn't
kind
know
of
what
went with it.
steps
Whereas,
to take or anything.
meeting Tim and subsequently the team, I started to see like workable steps that you could go through.
Yeah.
And what's been your experience with Infinite Wealth since becoming one?
It was like, it's been great. It's been fantastic. Obviously, we're in a much better position now financially. My super is a hell of a lot more secure, because that was always something that was niggling at me, and I've managed to secure Mel's super in the process. So it was always kind of a flip of a coin whether you were going to make any money. Now I know that in the long term it's going to grow and it's going to be fine.
It's just been easy.
Yeah, it's been easy.
Yeah.
Definitely.
That's good. And so, how does your financial future look like now?
Look, it looks positive. It looks really positive. And I suppose especially every time we get in contact with you guys, there's a little bit more is revealed, and a little bit more
that we can do.
Yeah, a little bit more
could be
positivity, a
doing
little
to-
bit more vision. So.
Cool.
Yeah,
And so, would you recommend Infinite Wealth to your friends and family? And if yes, why?
Absolutely,
Yeah,
I
we do
already
already,
do.
yeah.
And for the same reason, like a lot of the people that I work with, and a lot of our friends, and even my family, they kind of talk about their finances like they're dead. And then I can just go and have a chat to these guys, and they can reveal something to you that you don't see about your own future. So definitely.
Cool. Well, that's it. Easy, guys. So yeah, thanks for doing